If you want to learn how to make this jollof rice, stay tuned. Today we'll be cooking jollof rice but in a Congolese way, so loso ya bulai. So I mixed all my seasoning. You're gonna need a lot of things. You need chopped onions, and you need tomato puree and some olive oil. How can we forget our rice, the main thing? So this is hot water, so usually I leave it in for. Next we add our tomato. Next is add our rice and our seasoning, and we add bay leaf. It's really good. So when you mix it well, it will come out like this. And then what you do is you add some water. You add 1 cup of water. So when you add water, it should be like this, not too much water. And for the leftovers of the rice, you can add a little bit more and mix it in. All my rice on my pot is empty, so inside here. Now we're gonna leave it to boil up for 20 minutes. Make sure you reduce your heat. Put it on medium heat so it doesn't burn, because usually rice like this types of rice, it burns easily. And if you have a cooker like mine, that it reheats quicker and it can be, you know, quite dangerous. People cook the rice differently. This is the simplest way how to cook jollof rice, or you can say loso bulai. Yeah, we shall see the result in about. Oh yeah, guys. Obviously, this is spicy. Pili pili, a homemade pili pili, the one I just created myself. So you can add it as well if you want. If you like pili pili, if you like chili beans, you know, then you just give it a stir a little bit. Yeah. You can put as much as you want, if you know the amount of spicy how you want it. Leave it to cook. So guys, what we do next is we're gonna add our foil. So be careful when you're doing this. When you're adding the foil, make sure you don't burn yourself. So the foil, it just makes it you know, like those, I don't know how to explain it in English, you know. It comes and go moko basically. It makes it one by one. As soon as you added your foil, you cover it up. You still let it cook with medium heat, okay? Then you don't see the result. Oh my gosh! And it tastes so bang, like good.